Hello, welcome back to my video. A beginner's guide to buying cryptocurrency in Hong Kong. Digital money is turning out to be progressively famous in Hong Kong, with many Bitcoin ATMs around the city and trade central command moving from China. For those in Hong Kong hoping to put results into digital money, here is all that you really want to be familiar with: wallets, ATMs, OTC trades administration, and web-based buying choice. Digital money is on the access in Hong Kong with new Bitcoin and trades spring up on the customary. There are multiple ways of getting crypto in Hong Kong, with both nearby and worldwide choice accessible, face-to-face and on the web. Among these, there are different sorts of crypto trades, from distribute and abroad to over-the-counter (OTC). For those simply beginning to purchase digital currency, a crypto wallet is a need. This can be an outside gadget, similar to a hard drive or USB, or interior on one scale phone through an application. For instance, a few trade benefits likewise give a wallet administration to all the more helpfully purchase, sell, and store in one spot. Wilknow Wallets incorporate blockchains wallet and Binance for iOS, and Coinomi and Jaxx Liberty for Android. When you have your wallet set up, either visit a Bitcoin ATM or buy crypto on the web. There are a few Bitcoin ATMs all over Hong Kong on the web and over-the-counter trades to meet all cryptographic money needs. Crypto culture in the city is blazing, particularly following China's new crackdown with dangerous trades, monetary innovation, and blockchain-related firms moving out of the nation, opening numerous potential open doors for those in Hong Kong to assemble their portfolio. To kick you off on your ventures, we have gathered a rundown of wallets and digital currency trades in Hong Kong. Enter your email address business and tech business new, a beginner guide to buying cryptocurrency in Hong Kong by Fei Decker Hong. Share on Facebook, tweet about this on Twitter, email to someone, share on link, share a beginner guide to buying cryptocurrency in Hong Kong. Digital currency is turning out to be progressively well-known in Hong Kong, with many Bitcoin around the city and trade-based scam moving from China. For those in Hong Kong hoping to put results into cryptographic money, here is all that you really want to be familiar with: wallets, ATMs, OTC trade administration, and web-based buying choice. Thank you for watching.